Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. And my best form of growing wealth is the stock market. I've discovered that the stock market can grow our money quickly. And ideally, I'm working on testing something. Testing if we can make 100% return. Topic today is why you need to double your money quickly. Why you need to double your money quickly. That is the topic today. Ladies and gentlemen, let's agree on one thing. Life has become very, 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 very difficult. Life is unbearable. The oil prices have gone up. Now, once the fuel prices and oil has gone up, everything is going to go up. Manufacturers who are depending on oil to process their goods, they are going to raise the cost of those goods. Transporters who are transporting the goods, raw materials to various places, they are going to increase the prices of transporting those goods. Everything is going to go up. Transport will go up. Everything will go up. So now what do you do? Inflation is going to go up. So if you are saving your money, let's say in insurance, because insurance companies nowadays, they have investment products, and you are getting 3% return per year, you're wasting your time. If you're saving your money in a fixed deposit account and you're getting a return of about 5% per year, you are wasting your time. If you're saving your money in a SACCO and the SACCO is giving you a return of, let's say, 6 or 7% per year, you are wasting your time. Where then do you need to save your money? You need to save your money in the stock market. Let's take, for example, Safaricom. Safaricom, 10 years ago, Safaricom was about 2 shillings. Of course, it came to the IPO at 5 shillings, then went down up to 8 shillings, then it dropped to 2 shillings and 30 cents. If you put your money in Safaricom about 10 or 13 years ago, now your money has multiplied almost over 1,000 times. As in, your money have multiplied almost 10 times. So 100,000 then in Safaricom now is more than 1 million. And you added 0 shillings. Now 1 million shillings, if you are retired, is very good money. 1 million shillings, if you are a student, is a very good money. 1 million shillings, if let's say you got a baby 10 years ago or 13 years ago, and you give that baby 1 million shillings, is very good money to pay school fees, to cater for college education. 1 million shillings is very good money. And even if you are working class and you have 1 million shillings, it's still very good money. You can buy your land and start the process of building your own house, and you move out of rental. Kenyans, 90% of Kenyans are renting. And ladies and gentlemen, it's high time we stop renting and have our own houses or homes. So why should you double your money? Very simple. If you don't double your money, we are going the way of our parents and grandparents. According to Kenya Retirement Benefits Authority, this is what they say. They say that 90% of those who retire, those who are 60 years, 70 years, 80 years, 90% of them are poor and broke. So then what happens? They have to depend on the government to give them money. And the government is giving them $20, 2,000 shillings every month. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not the life you want. That is not the life I want. We need to increase our rate of return very quickly in the stock market. And this is what I'm doing. Every month, I'm telling my people in my Telegram group that we are going to buy stock A. Then stock A rises by 10%, then we sell. Another month, we buy stock B. Stock B rises by 10%, we sell. Another month, we buy stock C. Stock C rises by 10%, we sell. So over the last 4 months, we've bought Safaricom when it was 36, went to 41, we sold. We bought Diamond Trust Bank, it was 58, it went to 69, we sold. We bought Nairobi Business Ventures, it was 5 shillings, it went to 7 bob, 8 bob, we sold. We bought Nairobi Scan Group, it was 4 shillings, it went to 6 bob, we sold. So you keep repeating this over and over and over and over again in many other stocks. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you make money in the stock market. That is how you double your money in 1 year. And if you don't double your money, and we just bank our money, the financial system, the banks, there's a rule by Lino Shugnasi called the rule of 72. If you can't double your money quickly, then you risk running into poverty. The financial system is made in such a way that all of us are meant to be poor. They are not made to make us rich. We must work by ourselves to make ourselves rich. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I have a Telegram group, please join. The link is below in the subscription. And let me tell you what I'm reading. I'm reading a book by Marshall Loeb. Talks about money. This is what he says. If you want to double your money quickly, you need to consider shares. Stocks, you need to consider real estate, but real estate doesn't double your money quickly. This is what he says. At a rate of return of 10%, which you should be able to get, your investment will double in 7 years. A rate of 10% is like what Stimasako is giving, guys, at 10% return. If you keep your money in Stimasako, it will double in 10 years, in 7 years, according to Marshall Loeb. If you keep your money with mutual funds, it will they give a return of about 8%, 9%, 10%. They'll double your money again in about those years, 7 years, 8 years. Ladies and gentlemen, I am here to test something that we can double our money in a period of 1 year. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. If you're not in my Telegram group, join the Telegram group and together let's practice these principles. Otherwise, bye. See you in the next video.